everyone, I'm Matthew with Cerakote. Today we are going to show you how to adjust your spray gun to create freehand fade designs. Applying the freehand fade is a simple and quick way to create more depth and detail in any custom design and is often used as a foundation for many camo patterns. There are many ways to dial down for a fade, and each one creates a slightly different effect. We are going to show you one of those adjustments. Dialing down for this particular fade will give you a fine gradient with no splatter. Set your air regulator to the recommended setting for the coating series you are using. You will be starting with your gun set in the fully closed position by turning your pattern adjustment knob, fluid adjustment knob, and air adjustment knob clockwise until fully closed. From the closed position, open your fluid adjustment knob a quarter to a half of a turn. Then, working from a distance of 1 to 2 inches, open your air adjustment knob while simultaneously pulsing the trigger until a quarter to a half inch pattern is achieved. Make sure to keep your air on to avoid coating buildup on the air cap. Alright, that's it for today's video. This was just one method, but we encourage you to get creative with the process to achieve your preferred look. We hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.